Hi friends, this is your Lesson 21 exit ticket. So in your learning video, you learned about doubles and doubles plus 1. Now friends, when they say doubles, they just mean that the number is the same. It's doubled. So if you, for example, you had 1 plus 1, that would be a doubles number sentence because the ones are the same. Now you should have learned in your learning video, if you have a doubles plus 1 number sentence, that would look something like 1 plus 2. Because if you add a 1 to the 1 from your previous sentence, you would now have a 2. So that would be the plus 1 in your number sentence. So just like you did in your learning video, you are learning about doubles and doubles plus 1 number sentences. So for your exit ticket today, you are going to write a doubles number sentence, meaning remember those numbers are the same, that are going to match this card. And then you're also going to write a doubles plus 1 number sentence to match this card. So for example, friend, look and see how many dots are on this card. Do you think 3? I agree. So for this card, for 3, you're going to write the doubles number sentence right here, and then the doubles plus 1 number sentence down here. Okay, so you're going to do that for each card, for this card, and for this card. So when you're done with your exit ticket, you should have 6 number sentences, 2 number sentences for each card. Okay, friends, remember, if you need this read to you again, go back to the beginning of the video. Or if you just listen to this and you still think you need help, you can go put your name over on the help board. Okay?